Say good morning. Christian, can you say hey? He's like, nope. Hi guys. It is Monday morning. And it's actually, I don't know, it might be close to 12 by now. Let's see here. Yeah, it's 12:08. And we had like a weird morning this morning because Cody got called in for jury duty. And so he's gone. But he was just going to call this morning and tell them that he really didn't have a ride because our car is, you know, of course, being worked on right at the moment. So he'd have to ride with his mom, and she has to go to work, and so he'd have to like stay in town all day doing nothing. Anyway, she doesn't get off till 2 o'clock, so he doesn't get home till after that. But he did call me earlier and let me know that they picked him to be in the jury. I'm like, ugh. He said the seats in court are so uncomfortable. But they've been doing like all like the pre stuff today. He said he would explain more when he got home, but he has to either go back tomorrow or Friday. But anyway, he's there right now, so it's just me and Christian here. Cause with all that going on this morning, me and Christian woke up, and then I had to lay him back down, and anyway, we finally went back to sleep, but it wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't restful sleep, but he might take an early nap today then. But we've been inside. I've been doing some laundry. I'm like, gotta get caught up on laundry. And we got our internet back. The internet man came and he fixed it. It's never our problem here at the house. It's always the box at the end of the road. The card keeps going out, and he said they're trying to find a solution to, keep that from happening, but it always goes out, so they always have to go replace it, which is irritating because we were without the internet for the whole weekend. That's my form of communication. That's how I stay in contact with people. But anyway, I decided Christian loves to come outside, so I just brought him out, let him play. Hey, what sound did that horn make? Oh, wow. Did you like it? Did you like it? Oh, yeah. That was a loud horn, wasn't it? Oh, my goodness. Did you like it, Christian? Where was it? Was that a horn? There's a bee up there. You hear that bee? You see that bee? What's the bee sound like? Good job. What's the horn say? Was it loud? Yeah. You crack me up. You can't forget about that horn, can you? What you doing? Oh yeah, I got dirt. This is how he watches cartoons. He'll watch it and then he'll play, and then he'll watch and then he'll play. But he never sits down and really watches. He'll stare at the TV for a few minutes and then he'll run around. And then something else will catch his attention. We're back outside. Are we back outside? He took a 2.5-hour nap, and then we just got up and hung up the rest of my laundry. Laundry is done for the day. Thank goodness. No, I just kind of fold it all. Which the last load I had to hang up on the line, so I can't fold that up until it dries. But I have a huge pile of clothes on my bed, plus the laundry from the last time I did laundry. Oh yeah, lots of clothes to fold and put away. But it's what it is. It's life. But right now, since he just woke up, of course he wanted to come outside. So we're out here. Cody's still gone. His mom said she would take him back after she off of work, but she did not. She made him stay with her in town, so he's still not here. That was kind of a bummer. So I knew, he didn't have to go stay out all day. Plus, I know he's gotta be so bored. He's just sitting at his grandma's house watching TV. That's like pretty boring for him. And he's tired too. But anyway, haven't really done much today, just like laundry and just watching after him. No, he likes to pour dirt on mommy. Don't put dirt on mommy. I don't want to get dirty. I don't want that. He is so fascinated with dirt. Earlier I was sitting here. I don't have a chair, so I'm just sitting on the ground. But I'm sitting under this shade tree, which is not really a shade tree, but it does give some shade. Which Cody doesn't like me to be up under this tree because limbs fall off of it. Oh goodness, but right now it's a good spot to sit. And I just want to sit. Because I even brought out my embroidery. It's in a bag. Hoping that maybe I can just sit out here, watch Christian play and do some embroidering, because it's kind of boring just sitting here doing nothing. So anyway, that's what we're doing right now. I guess I'll update you more. I guess I'll, unless something cool happens with Christian, I guess I'll vlog when Cody gets home. Who knows? See you later. Okay guys, I told you I had a massive amount of clothes to fold. That was me opening the blind. Okay, it starts from all the way over here and goes all the way over there. It's really not that many, it's just that it's like these jeans and all, it's just kind of folded weird. But anyway, I think I'm going to take a shower first, because I just really want to take a shower and get clean. Cody said they're probably about to leave, so, oh yeah, he just texted me, he says, yeah, I think they're about to leave. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna go take a shower now. Can you say goodnight? Say goodnight. Christian, can you say goodnight? Night-night. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh goodness, you got something in your hair. Okay guys, we're gonna call it a day, because we've all had a long day. Done a lot of stuff. And like this vlog if you enjoyed it. I got internet again finally, so I'm gonna upload some videos tonight. And if this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe because I put out videos every day. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!